Hey guys, I'm here with Carol, Nicole, Billy, and McKenna. We actually just got done buying their home here in Nashville. How was the whole process as compared to what you expected?
Well, I was the one that made the initial call. Um, Way easier and better, and everybody was so friendly, efficient. Um, I can't say anything negative at all. Everything was really, really great. We got a fast closing. We're all really happy, and um, we wish the best of luck. But we're very, very happy, and it was an easy transition.
Was there anything different than what you expected, good or bad?
To be honest, I thought that in the beginning it might be like this long-winded process and tons of paperwork, but from the first call that I made, I believe it was to Jonathan. Um, he just asked me questions. I was very honest with him, and like I said, I didn't expect it to be this easy and quick, and we're really happy that we did it.
Also, it's been a pleasure working with you guys.
You've been so nice to us. Like, really, we just appreciate it, and the paperwork was easy, everything right to the end.
Yeah, it's been
Yeah.
great.
I would highly recommend the business. I really would.
Thank you very much. And
Very welcome.
anybody who's watching this that has a house they want to sell for whatever reason, just call the number below and we can help you out.
And we would recommend.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.